Hi, welcome to this lesson on calculus derivative laws. Let's have a look at the sum and difference rule or law. So if f and g are two functions, then the derivative of the sum or difference of f plus or minus g with respect to x is given by the following. So if I do f of x plus g of x, and I take the derivative, right? Then I can distribute the derivatives out into each individual term. So it's the derivative of f plus the derivative of g. And similarly, for a difference of terms, so if I have f of x minus g of x, and I take the derivative of that expression, it's the same as saying f prime of x minus g prime of x. Okay. So whether you're adding or subtracting two expressions or functions from each other and you want to evaluate the derivative of that sum or difference, essentially you can evaluate the derivative of each function separately and then add or subtract them together to get the resultant derivative. So for example, if h of x is 2x cubed minus 5x, so I have a difference of two functions, then I can take the derivatives separately of each function and then find the difference. So the derivative of 2x cubed using the power rule is going to be 2 times 3 is 6 times x to the power 3 minus 1, which is 2. And then the derivative of 5x, remember x here has a power of 1, so it's going to be 5 times 1 times x to the power 1 minus 1. But that's going to be 5 times x to the power 0, and x to the power 0 is just 1, so that's where we get 5. So the derivative of the cubic function 2x cubed minus 5x is 6x squared minus 5. So you can see, again, you went from a third degree polynomial to a second degree polynomial when you went from the function to the derivative. All right, so that is the sum or difference rule and law for derivatives. Now that we've got the basis for all these laws, the power rule, the constant rule, and the sum and difference rules, we can go ahead and practice some problems with these. Awesome. I'll see you in the next one.